With this makeup, people will look at you and be like, is that you? Today we're doing unrecognizable makeup. Before, we have to do the skincare. So, you know, I do a lot of crazy makeups every single day, so my skin is always going through it. But I have a new routine that I have to show you because it has been saving my skin. Because let's be real, for your makeup to eat, you have to get a good skincare. So I'm going to show you my go-to products from Yepoda. I'm going to start with the double cleansing. If you're not doing this, girl, what are you doing? This is a game changer for me. This is the combo. This literally melts your makeup, your SPF, your skincare, everything like this. Especially for the crazy makeups that I do, this has been such a game changer for me. Just massage it. And I like using it even if I'm not doing a crazy makeup. I just feel like it leaves my skin feeling so clean. After that, with a warm cloth, we just remove everything. And this feels so nice, especially with a warm cloth. It will open your pores and it will remove everything. And this is so gentle, like it leaves your skin feeling so soft. Next, I go with a bubble double. This foam cleanser is so lightweight and it really gets deep in my pores and it cleans everything. I'm going to rinse this off completely clean. You can see that my skin still looks glowy. Fresh skin, ready to absorb what it has to absorb. Now we have to hydrate, and I love the mist half. It's packed with ingredients that leave my skin just feeling so like plump, like beautiful. It leaves my skin feeling moisturized without feeling heavy. This is where the glow comes from. This is the Glow Hero Serum. This has vitamin C and niacinamide, which helps even my skin tone, and it brightens so much. And it gives my skin such a beautiful glow, and it looks plumper, looks healthier. And our last step, the moisturizer, the Make My Day cream. This is so lightweight and it doesn't feel greasy, which I love for before the makeup. And this balances out the serum. It doesn't leave the skin feel too matte or too oily. It's just perfect natural skin. It's just smooth, hydrated, and ready for makeup. And this will be my prep makeup skincare routine, which I'm completely obsessed with. And you have to remember that flawless makeup comes with great skincare. And that's it, the perfect skin prep for a perfect makeup look. If you want this kind of glow that feels like it comes from the inside, definitely check out Yepoda. I will link everything down below, and I want you to tell me if you have tried any of these products. Now that our skin is completely ready for everything, let's go with the makeup. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, the 128, and I put a few drops on it and spread it with a spatula. And I love doing this because it gives me a really good, like, even skin tone, like doesn't feel cakey. It's also really satisfying, I'm not gonna lie. Now I'll blend everything with a little sponge. I'm going to use to concealer, cover up every, the imperfection that we still have. This is L'Oreal Infallible, the shade 328.5 and 327. I mixed them too because this is a little too orange for me and the other one is too pale. And we blend everything with the sponge. We just want a perfect base, like not even one imperfection. I'm going to use the Rare Beauty contour. This is the shade Mellow. And I want a really defined face. I feel like contour doesn't really look good on me, but we'll try. A lot on the forehead, and for the nose, as always, I do a little line. We blend. I just love this little trick so much. I know there's people who don't like it, but for me, I just love it. I want to use this Huda Beauty blush. This is Strawberry Cream, and I'm going to place it here because I want it to be more on my cheekbones. Again, this sponge, we blend. My favorite step, setting powder, Huda Beauty. This is the shade Pound Cake, and I want to mattify my face. I make sure that everything is blended, and I press the powder. And with a big fluffy brush, I go very lightly on the rest of my face. I want a more defined face, so I'm going to contour with this Fresh Bronze Powder by Belle. And I like it because it's in the middle of a bronzer and a contour. And I focus on my cheekbones. And I make this flat. And I go on my nose. For blush, I'm going with my Love Dive blush by Shiglam, and I'm so sad because I dropped it and it broke. Maybe I put too much. I'm going with this beautiful flower nose highlight. This is so pretty. Like, I put it on my nose. I've been receiving a lot of comments that people hate when I apply highlight on my nose, but it's like, girl, I grew up with Nikki tutorials. Do you think I will not apply highlight on my nose? And because this is unrecognizable makeup, I'm not doing my beauty marks. Not today. I'm doing my eyebrows with this Catrice Ultra Precise pencil in the shade chocolate. And for my eyebrows, it's really depends on the day. They will look a certain way or another, but for this I would try to keep them a little bit on the thinner side. I'm going to take a brownish eyeshadow. This is from Too Faced palette, the chocolate bar, I think, and I'm going to do like a little eyeliner. Now I will blend it like on the same place, like doing like an ombre eyeliner, like sort of. Now with an angle brush and a darker brown, we do an eyeliner. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to blend it. And with the other brush, we blend it. And we blend the color a little bit inwards. And you do it as many times as you want until you have the desired color and the desired darkness. A little bit on the inner corner. Now we take a lighter eyeshadow and we do a line cleaning this up. Just with an eyeshadow. Now with the same two colors, I'm going all over my bottom lashes. Going with an eyeliner. This is Maybelline, I think. Yes. And I'm going to do my waterline. Just make sure that there's nothing left. Like, we don't have to see this empty spot. We don't want that. And with the same small fluffy brush, we blend. You can leave it like this, but for me, this looks a little bit crazy, not gonna lie. With an eyeliner, we do a wing. It can be as long as you want and as thick as you want. I like this going thin and then thick because for my eye shape. And we're going to do the inner corner. With the dark brown, I go over again because I feel like I need it. I'm going to add a lot of mascara. This is telescopic. I just ran out of lash glue, so just mascara will do. Also, can you please give me your favorite mascara? Because I'm always stuck between two, which are Essence, like Lash Princess, and Lash Like a Boss. This was a crazy purchase for me. So can you please tell me your favorite mascara? Because I want to try different mascaras right now. And a little bit on the bottom lashes. Now feeling crazy, so I'm going to use Olen's Scandi One Day Olive lenses because I want to look unrecognizable. I feel like I can go crazier with the cheekbones, with the contour. I'm going to use this. This is from MAC. This is Mouth Tape. And with this brush, I'm going to focus like here. And going a little bit over here. And for lips, I'm going to use two from Huda Beauty. This is Warm Brown and Pinky Brown. Pinky Brown, I'm going to use it as, you know, my whole lip. And Warm Brown for the outside. For my lips to be more plump. I want to keep this pretty matte, so I'm gonna use this one from Shiglam. This is Soft Haze Lip Blur in the shade Think Twice. And as for makeup, we're done. Let me do my hair. Do I look like myself? I don't think so. Like from the mirror, it's just, who's that girl? I think it's a really cool makeup. It's, you know, to play around, to maybe surprise everyone if they're not used to you having heavy makeup like this. Just surprising them, it's kind of funny. I like doing this every once in a while for my friends or my family and be like, hello, like this, and they're like, what happened? And even if this is your everyday aesthetic, you're so cool. I want to be like you. If you do this, please send it to me. I love when you follow the tutorials that I do. It's just, I don't know, it gives me so much joy. If there's any other makeup that you would like to see from me, please let me know. And yes, I'm back. I promise. And I'm so sorry for being gone for so long. It's just life. Muchas gracias, niñas. See you.